Students, we are doing questions from Concepts of Physics by HCVERMA. We are doing chapter 3 Rest and Motion Kinematics, and we are doing exercise question number 22. A car traveling at 60 km per hour overtakes another car traveling at 42 km per hour. Assuming each car to be 5 meters long, find the time taken during the overtake and the total road distance used for the overtake. Students, this question can be solved using two frames. One is in the relative frame and other is on ground frame. First of all, let us do on relative frame. This is car A and this is car B. This is the initial situation. This is car A is having speed of 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour can be converted to meter per seconds by multiplying by 5 by 18. 5 by 18 students. 5 by 18. So I have this speed as equal to 16 to 5 by 18 will be equal to 50 by 3 meter per second. And speed of car B I will write as symbol we will use as VB. That is 42 km per hour. That is 42 into 5 by 18. 6 3s are 18. 6 7s are 42. Therefore 35 by 3 meter per seconds. So these are the speeds. Each car is 5 meter long. 5 meter long. 5 meter long. See, this is the initial situation. Both are moving in the same direction. Then only there is a meaning of overtake. Overtake means they are in the same direction and you are overtaking. We want that final situation should be like this, that B should be here and A should be ahead. This is the final situation which we want. This is the overtaken condition. Now you can very well see that using the relative velocity idea. Let us sit on frame A. That is velocity of B as seen from A. I am sitting on frame A and seeing the velocity of B from frame A. That is velocity of B minus velocity of A. That is 35 by 3 minus 50 by 3. That is minus 15 by 3 or minus 5 meter per seconds. 5 meter per seconds is the way I am seeing B is coming like this to me, towards me and crossing me back. Sitting on A, that is the way I will perceive. Now what is the displacement of B with respect to A? The B has to go, sitting in A is at rest for me, B has to cover a distance of you are able to see here, the B has to cover a total distance of how much? It was in the initial condition here, now the back portion of B or front portion of B has to cover 10 meters in this direction, in this way. I have taken this direction as positive, therefore this displacement of B is turning out to be negative, that is minus 10 meters. And the time taken by B will be, time that is equal to distance divided by speed, that is minus 10 divided by minus 5, that is 2 seconds. Now one very important thing, this portion can be done, this part of the question can also be done on ground frame. But the second part of the question, that is, what is the second part of the question? Find the time taken during the overtake, that is the first part, and the total road distance used for the overtake. That let us see now. Total road distance used for overtake. I said initial condition is what? B is like this and A is like here. This is the initial situation. And final situation is what? Let us say final situation, the overtake completes here and A is here. The total road distance covered is for the entire overtake is this much. This much is the total distance covered taken for overtake. Please be clear about it. Now the time taken is 2 seconds. Let us see how much B has traveled. What is the speed of B? Distance traveled by B is equal to speed of B into time. What is the speed of B? 35 by 3. And what is the time taken? 2 seconds. Therefore, 70 by 3 meters. And what is the distance covered by A? Distance covered by A is this much. That is how much? 50 by 3 into 2. That is 100 by 3. That is 33.33 meters. You are able to see that A has traveled 33.33 meters. But that is not the total distance covered for overtaking. There is a distance of 5 meters also here. Therefore, the total distance for overtake, road distance for overtake is, that is 5 plus 33.33 meters. That is 38.33 meters. I hope the idea is clear to you, students.